It's early.
It's early, yes.
And it's cold. I guess we couldn't sleep because...
Well, I didn't have my coffee until 5:30, 5 o'clock last night.
Yeah, his routine was messed up.
Yeah, and I had a caffeine headache because I had been so long without my caffeine. So I didn't get to sleep very quick, and then when I slept, I didn't sleep well. And then I woke up this morning, and it's like I fought it for well over an hour, and finally I guess I tossed and turned poor Mariana, and so we got up.
Yeah, so it's early and it's cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I'm kind of quite snuggly.
Yeah, but it's only 40 out here this morning. It's definitely feeling chilly.
Looks like a really nice day, though.
Right. It's not a lot of sun because it's early, but it is definitely going to be a sunny, clear day here. Grace says, Mom, I would come visit you more, but I got to stay on my heating pad. So Don says that he can get his knees flat on the floor now, and before he started sitting on the floor for a half an hour a day, he couldn't do that. Yeah. So it's definitely,
my knees,
without working too hard, just getting down here and sort of moving around.
Yeah.
Yeah. Way cool.
Yeah, so, before they were stuck like right up here, and it was like, I could push them down. But now I can actually get them all the way down.
Way cool. Good job, Donnie.
Thank you.
Obviously, I'm back here trying to build the bed for my third floor on the greengrocer. This morning's been touch-up morning. I got rid of the 3 dark bricks that were here, and I worked on the furniture for inside. I am still waiting on a few pieces. The bed with the cat is complete, but the dresser and the little end table are missing a couple of bricks that are coming later in the week. I decided to leave the non-translucent, the yellow beak flames. The translucent ones up against that corner, they just didn't show up as nice as a flame, so I left that. I added this person in the window. Again, there's just a little piece here and a little piece there that's missing. These roof pieces here needs to be filled in, and that's coming also. But it's pretty much, it's very close to done, this one window. So as the pieces show up, I'll fix it. And the witch and the little cat were added to the front of the haunted mansion yesterday. They came in the mail. I did show you guys that I added stuff to the back patio area, right? The guy and his girl, and then the chef over here at the grill cooking a T-bone steak. You can kind of see the steak in there. Yeah, I decorated that, but not today. That I just don't think I showed it after I did it. I went ahead and boxed up the Arkham Asylum Batman set that I had out for Halloween, and I got out the Christmas Legos that I have. I didn't exactly remember what that was, but you can see here that I have more than I would have thought. This, I think this is set 10259, Santa's Toy Shop or Workshop. And it came with the tree and the building. And then obviously there's another set. I think this was like a Christmas, like buy something on Good Friday, on Black Friday. And you got this little carousel, and it has a knob down here, and you can turn it, it spins. So the little train goes around and around, and I know the bigger elves and the snowman was separate, and I think this was another buy something on Black Friday special where you got the little Christmas style. Looks like it's right out of a Hallmark movie pickup truck. So anyway, I wanted to go ahead and get that set up. I'm not opposed to putting up Christmas things for Thanksgiving. I simply also enjoy having Thanksgiving specific things. So, it's all about what we enjoy, what I enjoy, not necessarily expectations. I'm glad I've got this set up. This is the life of a virtual academy kid. Kielbasa and fresh cooked pasta for lunch. I'm out in the other room making bacon because after smelling all of that, Dawn and I we want something to eat today. Cooked to crispy perfection. Okay. Yummy for your tummy.
Oh, yeah, wow. You're getting something special today.
Yep.
Oh boy, bacon and eggs. Yum, yum.
We're in the GMC this fine afternoon. Headed to the landfill to see Mr. Ball about some eggs at, Ball's Berries and Produce.
We've got no more eggs.
Yeah, that's a problem for us.
There's our Amazon truck.
Yep, he was to the house already today.
That was the guy, too.
Yep. And I think we're gonna stop at Yates Mill, and then I need to run into Walmart and grab something too. So we'll be out and about probably between now and sunset, since it's so early now. It's going on 2. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, it's landfill time again. I notice it says no shredded paper in the commingled recycling. I wonder why that is.
About 7 of them.
7 at the 450 it says. Extra large.
Well, it looks like Willow Spring is getting another subdivision. They've cut a road through the field here, and I really think that's the only thing that could possibly mean. We're here.
Yeah, I'm working on my vitamin D.
Yep, Don says take all the pictures you want. I'll be over here in the sunshine.
Getting my vitamin D.
Oh, what a gorgeous afternoon.
Yeah.
Still not seeing incredible leaf color. A little bit, but not tons.
Yep.
We're doing the usual 1 mile Mill Pond Trail loop. Nothing too taxing or stressful. It's mostly just us out here. We've passed a couple of people, but it's pretty isolated and socially distanced here on the trail today.
Right. Getting our exercise by Kitten carrying all her camera stuff. She won't let me carry anything.
Well, I can't use it if I'm not the one holding it.
Well, that's true.
We were over there on that bridge just a little bit ago. It's kind of shady on the bank now. You got to come midday, get those leaves on this side over here lit up. Not that there's that much to be lit up today, but if there were color, it would be better to come a little earlier in the day. See how this side's lit up right now. Yep, even Dawn takes pictures sometimes.
Yeah, but I can't hold a candle to my sweetie.
Aww.
She's a photographer. I'm just a snapshot shooter.
The water's pretty still right now, so I took some nice pictures of the mill reflection from the platform that's over to my left. And we are making our way around to the mill now. Too bad the miller's not here to run the water today. Windows closed. Very pretty. Sounds pretty too. The wall's all in the shade, but I'm sure this dogwood tree is going to be pretty red, but it's just not there yet. Legos.
Eggo, my Eggo.
Cool. Day's pretty much done here. The sun's setting. I got what I needed at Walmart.
Yeah.
We're home.